Tired of overpaying for Tirzepatide? We tested an eye tool that finds the lowest prices instantly. Here's what we discovered. Medvi is an eye-powered medication pricing platform that compares Tirzepatide costs across pharmacies in real time. It uses machine learning to aggregate pricing data, insurance coverage details, and available discounts. This tool eliminates the tedious manual research. Simply input your prescription details and the eye instantly shows your lowest cost options nearby. We compared Tirzepatide pricing across 5 major pharmacies. Medvi revealed a 100 price difference for the same major pharmacies. Medvi revealed a 100 price difference for the same medication at different locations. The eye tool identified generic alternatives, GoodRx coupons, and manufacturer discounts automatically. Average user for creators managing team healthcare costs. These savings compound significantly over time. Step 1. Visit Medvi's website and sign up with your email. Step 2. Upload your prescription or search by medication name. Step 3. Enter your location for pharmacy-specific pricing. Step 4. Compare prices, insurance coverage, and delivery options. The entire process takes under 3 minutes. The dashboard updates weekly with new discounts and pharmacy partnerships. Medvi's excels at scaling healthcare cost management for remote teams and freelancers. Unlike traditional methods, it requires zero manual updating. Algorithms handle all pricing changes. Perfect for agencies managing contractor benefits or solopreneurs optimizing personal expenses. The free tier covers basic searches. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more A-Tool reviews, hit like and comment which medication cost you want us to analyze next.